So welcome to another weekly analysis with Rejo. It's Muna. Welcome. Okay, so remember I told you guys last week that we might be expecting sales. Yes. So I took some trades, some sales. I got in early and I wrongly mapped out my POI last week. So I got like losses on Euro USD and GBP USD, but just some pips losses because this was the POI I was looking out for. Meanwhile, I was supposed to be looking out at this whole. I was supposed to be looking out like this whole place as my POI. This is what I'm supposed to be considering my POI, yeah, in the daily time frame. And price has actually gotten there, but I'm still waiting for like confirmations. But if you look closely, you see that price is rejecting that zone. And this particular place that I marked as the trend line, I will still show you in the lower time frame. You can see that price has like broken out of that trend line. So price is likely to sell from here. So let's see. This is the POI. So let's go to like a lower time frame and see what price is doing. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. Can you see that in the 4-hour time frame? Price has already also broken out from that trend line. So we will be looking out for sales. But something just tells me that this might go back up a bit, probably to this zone. Before it starts selling. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. This zone before it starts selling, to go back up a bit to that zone before it starts selling proper. So if you can take this type of risks, let me say. So if you're somebody that likes to take bigger pips trade, you can even start taking it from here and probably target this last low. But you have to make sure that your stop loss is like above this zone. Okay. So this is it. You can even start from here and start taking the trade. But this is like a 1:2. And honestly, I don't like to take trades like this because not necessarily because of the 1:2, but I don't like my SL to be so much. So yes, I won't be taking this trade like this. I would wait for proper confirmations in 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame. I'll wait for proper confirmations, and then I would be sending on the free analysis group. Okay, before I now take the sales gradually till we get here. So this is how I'll be trading Euro USD. Okay. Now let's see GBP USD. So this is GBP USD. GBP USD also is like, if you want to take a very safer trade, you do almost the same thing I recommended in the you do almost the same thing I recommended for the Euro USD. But this GBP USD, there are like two POIs here. Yeah, there are like two POIs here because you can still see that there is an imbalance here that has not been filled and price might eventually get there. And also here, you can see that this is also a valid point of interest, that price is valid supply zone that price might actually react to form the head and shoulder pattern. So I will just wait properly for confirmations for this GBP USD before I take a sell. Okay, I will probably wait for confirmations for this GBP USD. If this rejects this place totally and then gives me inducement and gives me my POI and all of that, I will take this sell down here. Also, in the Euro USD, I don't know if people can see it. In this 4-hour time frame, you can see that price, I usually use RSI2 as a part of my confirmation. You can see that this is actually overbought. is already on the overbought zone and is about to sell. And not only that, it's already overbought, it gave a divergence. It gave a divergence. Can you see? A divergence is when the RSI is giving an opposite signal from the charts, and that shows that most times you follow the direction of the RSI. That shows that the price is already about to change to that direction of the RSI. So as you can see, this means that price is likely to start dropping from this divergence. Okay, so even if I'm going to sell gradually here, I might not necessarily take it up to this point. I will be taking it gradually till I clear out this trend line liquidity, then see what happens here. And then if price continues to go down, I will now take it further down. So this is my own perspective. Although I told you, join our free analysis group. I'll be sending the trade once I get my confirmations on the free analysis group. Also, TEPS course is available, but I have been making updates to the TEPS course. And there is what I call the TEPS course special. Now, in this TEPS course special is the TEPS special course where I'll be adding all the updates that I want to add regarding my particular strategy. Yeah, but this will be available on April 30th. So this will be available on April 30th. And if you want to get this TEPS special, you need to click the link on my bio. This is going to be available I'm giving it out on a maximum discount. This is going to be available for just 30,000 Naira. Why am I making this available for just 30,000 Naira? I want you to get this course and then go through it, see the strategy, and then give me feedback. Utilize it, utilize the strategy, back test, do everything you want to do, and then give me feedback. The TEPS course is 80,000 Naira, but this TEPS special is even additional to the TEPS course. This is before I release the TEPS course because I want to add everything about the updates together. So this is before I release the TEPS course with the updates. I am producing this TEPS special. So if you want to follow up, pre-order on this and then pay a small sum of 30,000 Naira, and then you get access to the TEPS special, which is the TEPS course plus the updates on the April 30th. This is just for 30,000 Naira, and this link is going to be available. The link is on my bio. This will be available just for this week. After this week, of course, the TEPS course is back to normal 80,000 Naira once all the updates are put into it. All right. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe, follow at Rejoice Muna for more of this type of content. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.